The ОМ-350М-03 vegetable cutter by Perm manufacturing company TORGMAШ, Russia, is designed for cutting raw and cooked vegetables, as well as fruit into pieces of various shapes and sizes, julienne cutting, strips, dices, slices or rings, and for shredding cabbage. The vegetable cutter allows smooth speed changing of the working disc rotation in the range of 350 to 550 cycles per minute to select the optimal cutting mode for each product. Output is minimum 350 kilos per hour. Engine capacity is 0.37 kilowatts. It operates from a 220-volt circuit. Specifications. The machine consists of an actuator, a removable body with a tray, and a loading vegetable cutting device. The adjusting nut, the key and the keyway are installed on the output shaft of the actuator. The extractor for the ready product is placed on the flat of the key. The nut is used to adjust the key for height. The key and the nut are fixed with a screw. Lock pins are used for installation of the body. The body of the drive has a switch, a voltage indicator, and a speed control handle. Working components. Disc blades and compound knives are placed on the shaft of the drive up to the stop and are fastened with a left thread screw to the shaft. A cutting plate is installed into the bore of the body under a 10 mm disc blade. The head of the screw enters the vertical slot of the body and prevents the cutting plate from cranking. The vegetable cutting device is fastened to the body with folding brackets and bolts. Cutting instructions. For cutting into rings, half rings, and for slicing, the product is loaded into one of the circular ports of the vegetable cutting device and is pressed to the rotating disc blade by the plunger. For cutting into strips with compound knives, vegetables are first cut with blades of the plough, and after that they are cut into strips by the knife. For julienne cutting, the product is loaded into one of the circular ports. For cutting into dices, the product is loaded into one of the circular ports of the vegetable cutter and is pressed by the plunger to the rotating disc blade. Before shredding, cabbage is cut into 2 or 4 parts, then it is loaded into the crescent port and pressed with the plunger and the lever against the rotating disc blade of 2 mm.